ኃይሌ በጣም ከማክበር የተነሳ ነው አንዳንዴ ብደውልለት እንደው እድለኛ ሆኜ ብያስባለሁ ግን ብደውልለት ደግሞ ያው አንሰሪንግ ማሽኑ ወይም የስልክ መቀበሪያ ጥሪ መቀበያ ማሽኑ ቢቀበለው ብያስባለሁና አንሰሪንግ ማሽኑን እስቲ እንዴት አይነት በምን አይነት እንትን ሊናገር ይችላል አንሰሪንግ ማሽኑ
አሁን የክቡር ሻለቃ ዶክተር የ26 ሬኮርድ ባለበት የዓለም ሲኒማ የአዋሳ ሪዞርት ሆቴል አትሌት ኃይለ ገብረስላሴን ስልክ አግኝታችሁታል ይሄ የረዘመበት ምክንያት ከብዙ ኃይሎች ለመለየት ነው ለአትሌት ኃይለ ገብረስላሴ መልእክት መተው ከፈለጉ ቁጥር 1 ንጫ የአትሌቲክስ ሰፕላይስ ወይም ደግሞ ትጥቅ ማግኘት ከፈለጉ ኃይለ ገብረስላሴ መቼም ለታዳጊ አትሌቶች የማይሆነው ነገር የለም ዓለም ዳርስ በመምጣት አፎርድ ካደረጋችሁ መግዛት ትችላላችሁ እዛ ትጥቁ አለ ስለ ቁጠባና ኑሮ በዘዴ ማወቅ ከፈለጉ ቁጥር 3 ንጫ ነው መስኮል ማረክ ከፈለጉ በጣም ስለሆነዋል ማለት መስኮል እኮ አይመለስም አሁን ኑሮ ተወዷል በመጨረሻም ስላዳመጣችሁ አመሰግናለሁ ይሄ ረዘመበት ምክንያት አንሰርግባሽኑ የረጅም ሩቀት ሯጭ ስለሆንኩ ነው ሌላ ምስጥር የለውም የሥራው ጸባይ ስለሆነ ነው ተንኩ
ከዚህ ከስፖርት ዓለም ወጣን በልና ወደ ፖለቲካ ስንሄድ በቅርቡ በአሜሪካ ታሪካዊ ምርጫ በተደረገበት የአሜሪካው ፕሬዝዳንት ባራክ ኦባማ አሸንፈዋል እሱን ቢቢሲ ዘግቦት ነበር
History was made yesterday when the United States of America elected their first black president, Barack Hussein Obama. Here is part of Barack Hussein Obama's opening victory speech in Chicago.
If there's anyone out there who still doubts that America is a place where all things are possible, who still wonders that the dream of our founders is alive in our time, who still questions the power of our democracy, tonight is your answer.
That was a part from Barack Hussein Obama's opening victory speech.
ከዚህ ቀጥሎ ቢቢሲ በእኛም በአፍሪካ መጥቶ ስለ ባራክ ሁሴን ኦባማ የተለያዩ መሪዎች ያላቸውን አስተያየት አሰባስቦ ነበር
We are now in Johannesburg with former South African President Nelson Mandela. President Nelson Mandela, what's your feeling about Obama's new victory?
I have never felt this way since I got released from prison. This is a new chapter in the history of black people. Congratulations, Obama.
ከዛ ወደ ኬንያም በመሄድ ቢቢሲ ጠይቋቸው ነበር
We are here in Nairobi celebrating Obama's victory with the family of Barack Hussein Obama, and with us is the brother of Barack Hussein Obama. What's your feeling?
Well, I must tell you something really. I think the Americans have made a big mistake. Before Obama, the Americans were electing George Bush, who was American, and Bill Clinton was also American. But now, for the first time in the history, the American people have chosen a Kenyan as the president. We have a Kenyan president in the White House now, BBC. And pretty soon we're going to have a Kenyan Prime Minister in England. It's not going to be the British Prime Minister Gordon Brown or Tony Blair. It's going to be British Prime Minister Olembe Dubako. Thank you.
በመጨረሻ ወደ ኢትዮጵያ በመጣው ነበር ብለን እናስብና ቢቢሲ ሲዘግቡ ነው
We are in the capital city of Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. We are inside the palace waiting to interview the president of Ethiopia and other political party candidates campaigning for the coming Ethiopian election. And we've been waiting 3 hours for now. We've been waiting 3 hours, and Wait a minute, I think I see someone. Can we go in now?
Why? You're mad, dear. You get in when I say you get in. What? Who are you?
We are from the BBC.
Why? The BBC not dear. How is the Wayne Rooney? How is Manchester United? Last time I saw Manchester in the German game, the Germans damaged Rooney. If I find Rooney, if I find the Germans, I'll kill the Germans. So how are Wayne Rooney and Manchester? They are okay?
Yes, they are doing absolutely fine.
Is Manchester okay? Rooney okay? You are okay for interview? You have 1 minute.
But we were promised 10 minutes.
Why? You have now 59 seconds, 57, 53. Why you got to
Thank you, President Girma. We'll make this very short. What's your reaction to Obama's victory?
Well, the reaction is absolutely fantastic. It's not just a victory for America, but black people as well.
Thank you, Mr. President.
No problem.
And now moving on to the leader of OPCO, Mr. Mirina Gudina.
First of all, it is not very right. You are from the English, but you can't read proper English.
Right, I'm sorry, Mr. Marara. What can you learn from this election?
We have learned that if you really work hard, you can get what you want. Thank you, BBC. And for all the people who want to vote for us in Britain, our sign is 5 fingers.
And finally, the leader of Genejit leader 2.
Correction, it is not It is not Genejit. That was a long time ago. Now I switched to Inepa.
All right, I'm sorry. What can you learn from this historical election?
So I called Obama first to congratulate the White House, and I said, "Congratulations, Obama." And Obama said, "Are you leader too?" And yes, I am leader too. And Obama said, "Listen, I know the pressure in election, so you must work hard to get what you want." So all I want to say, BBC, is for all our supporters in England, thank you. Vote for us. Our sign is roses, sunflower, and many flowers.